In the country of Spain, there is a famous construction company called Keystone Construction, where the relationship between the colleagues happened to change because their marketing department head is going to resign.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, hi, Miss Abalu. Yes, yes. I wanted to talk to you about something important. I decided to file immediate resignation and close my resignation letter. May I know what the reason behind your immediate resignation? For that, ma'am, I need to immigrate to other countries because I have a family problem to face. Why is that? I was thinking about 6 months. I want to make sure that we have a time enough to suitable replacement and ensure to have smooth transition.
That's wise. We start planning for your successors. Do you have any recommendation for you who could take over your position?
Yes, ma'am. I've been thinking about it. I believe we should consider someone with strong leadership skills and experience in marketing, probably with knowledge of international markets.
Agree. Start looking into potential candidates and keep you updated on. Is there anything else you will assist us with as you prepare for your resignation?
Yes, ma'am. I think that's cover it for now. I appreciate your support during this transition.
The news about the resignation of marketing head spread across the company, and Mr. Bali and Miss Latifa had some talks with their friends.
Hey, did you hear about the retirement of the marketing head? I'm telling you, I'm the perfect fit for that position. Well, please, I've got the skills and experience to lead the marketing team to new heights. Well, no one else comes close.
Yeah, but remember, humility goes a long way in the workplace. You don't want to rub people the wrong way.
Whatever. I know what I'm capable of, and I'm not afraid to do it.
Finally, I understand confidence, but it's important to remember that teamwork and humility are also the key for leadership.
So with the marketing head retiring, I've been thinking about putting myself forward as a candidate for the position.
You'd be perfect for that role. You've got the experience and the right attitude.
Absolutely. Dedication and leadership skills make you the ideal candidate.
Let's not forget your ability to work well with others. That's crucial for leading a team.
We all believe in you, Latifa. Just stay true to yourself and everything will fall into place.
Yes, trust me, once I'm the marketing head, things are going to change around here. I'll take this company to the next level.
Just remember to stay grounded, buddy. Arrogance won't keep you very far on this long road.
Yeah, whatever. I'll show them what all I'm made of.
But being confident is important. Also, being humble and respectful of others' opinion is important.
In a conference meeting, the HR head announces that the marketing department head is resigning and the two candidates to be the next marketing department head are Mr. Bali and Miss Latifa. After the announcement, the two candidates start to compete each other.
Buenos dias, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. As you all know, we are here to discuss the resignation of our head marketing and the selection of our successors after careful consideration and evaluation. We have identified the strong candidates for the position. Our first candidate is Mr. Bali from India. He has demonstrated exceptional leadership skills and strategic thinking throughout his tenure with the company. He innovated approach to marketing campaigns has resulted in good present results, and we believe he possesses the qualities necessary to excel in his role.
I already expected to be a candidate for this term. I am ready to give all my best and show what I'm capable of.
Our second candidate is Ms. Latifa from Dubai. Like Mr. Bali, she has a proven track record of success with our organization. Her ability to navigate with diverse cultures, landscape, and understand global market trends and make her a valuable asset for our team. I'm honored to have this opportunity. I want to thank you. Now, I understand that this news may come as a surprise to the both of you. You have worked closely together in the past. However, it's important to remember that in this process, you must prioritize the needs of the company and select the candidate who is best suited to the lead our marketing. With that said, I encourage both of you to approach this opportunity and pursue firm and respect.
So, you all know I've been nominated for the marketing head position.
Yeah, congratulations, Bali.
Thanks.
Bali, it's okay to be humble, even when we're confident in our abilities.
Oh, please, thank you. I know I'll bring the table. I'm the best candidate, hands down.
Bali, arrogance won't be anything. Remember, leadership is more than just skills and experience. Yeah, being respectful and approachable is key.
Whatever, guys, I know I'm doing. Latifa can try to compete with me, but she's no match for my talent.
Being overconfident, Bali, can be double-edged sword. You know that?
Yeah, I've heard it all before. But mark my words, I'll be the next marketing department head. No doubt about it. Look who it is. Latifa and her gang of followers.
Come on, man, keep it simple.
Latifa, you really think you stand a chance against me? Maybe you should stick to more girly pursuits.
Bali, being a leader is not about gender. It's about skills, dedication, and respect for others.
Oh, I'm sorry. Did I hurt your delicate feelings, princess?
That's enough. There's no place here for that kind of behavior.
Come on, Abdullah. Don't tell me you're taking her side now.
We're not taking sides. We're just asking for respect.
Respect? Oh, please, I'll respect Latifa when she proves she's worthy respect.
And I'm sure Latifa will do just that.
Bali, it's time to grow up and act like a professional.
The HR head heard and found out the issue between the two candidates. She thinks and fixes the situations using different strategies because the two have different cultures and beliefs, and she did it in a proper way.
Thank you both for coming. This is to become aware of some concerning behavior between the
I'm not sure what you mean.
Bali, since there have been instances where you made that people will undervalue and bullying her because of their gender.
I didn't realize I was doing that. I'm sorry if I didn't feel that way.
It's important to understand that in Spain, we prioritize respect and equality among all individuals, regardless of gender. Bullying and discrimination have no place in the workplace. In India, respect for others, regardless of gender, is fundamental. It's essential to treat everyone with dignity and respect.
Yes, in the UAE, respecting each other's differences is emphasized. Gender equality is not available in our society as well.
Exactly. It's crucial for us to promote a workplace environment where everyone feels valued and respected. For that, Bali, I need you to reflect on your actions and understand the impact they have on your visa and our team as a whole.
I understand and I apologize to Latifa. I'll do it.
Thank you, Bali. I appreciate that.
Moving forward, let's focus on promoting mutual respect, understanding and collaboration and difference with a stronger attitude.
Latifa, can we talk more?
Sure, Bali.
I just wanted to say I'm sorry I didn't realize the impact of my actions, and I understand now how I made you feel. It was wrong of me to treat you differently because of your gender.
Thank you, Bali. I appreciate your apology. It means a lot to me.
I want you to know that I'm committed to being better. I'll work on respecting you and everyone else in the team, regardless of our difference.
Thank you for saying that, Bali. I believe we can make forward positively from here.
Guys, I have been treating Latifa unfairly because of her gender. I've been acting in a way that doesn't align with our values and respect and equality.
And it takes a lot of courage to admit when you're wrong, Bali.
I know and I feel terrible about it. I already apologized to Latifa and made things right.
That's a big step. That's a big step, Bali. Acknowledging your mistake is the first step towards growth. We're proud of you, Bali. It's easy to confront our own shortcomings, but it's necessary for personal development.
Thanks guys, I appreciate your support. I'm determined to learn from you and do the better in the future.
Hey guys, I have something to tell you. What's up, Latifa? Bali approached me. Earlier, I apologized for his behavior towards me.
Really? It's unexpected.
Yeah, it was a bit surprising, but it meant a lot to me. The acknowledging his mistake and seeing genuinely remorseful. Takes a lot of courage to admit when you're wrong.
I'm glad to hear that, Latifa. It sounds like he's willing to amend and learn from his actions.
Finally, I appreciate that the initiative to apologize. It shows that he's willing to work towards a more respectful and inclusive workplace.
Well, it's a step in the right direction. Hopefully, things will improve between you from here on out.
Yeah, I hope so too. But regardless, I'm grateful for your support. Guys, it means a lot to do.
Finally, the marketing department head announces who will be her successor as the new marketing department head. Despite the issue between Bali and Latifa, they both accept the decision with respect and wisdom.
Buenos dias todos. Thank you for all being here today. As some of you may already know, I am stepping down from role as head of our marketing department. It has been an incredible journey leading this department, but now it's time for someone new to take power and lead us into the future. After careful consideration and discussion with our HR team, I am pleased to announce that Ms. Latifa will be our new marketing department head. Latina has been a valuable member of our team, consistently demonstrating leadership qualities and strong commitment to our goals. So, may I have Ms. Latifa here?
Congratulations, Latifa. This is a significant moment and we are all very proud of you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Rodriguez. I'm honored and grateful for this opportunity.
We have full confidence in you, Latifa. Would you like to say a few words?
Absolutely. Thank you, everyone, for your support and encouragement. I'm truly humbled by this opportunity to lead our marketing team. Together, I believe we can continue to achieve great success. Thank you for entrusting me with this responsibility.
So, thank you, Ms. Latifa. And in this Spanish traditions, transitions are often marked with flamenco, a dance that embodies passion, strength, and the spirit of our people. Thank you.
Alright.
Well, start this, everyone. I couldn't let this moment pass without acknowledging something important. As we celebrate the transition in leadership and embrace the cultural richness of our Spanish traditions, we must also reflect on the values that defines us as a company. Gender equality is not just a concept, it's a fundamental principle that must be sustained in every aspect of our workplace. It's about ensuring that every individual, regardless of gender, has equal opportunities to succeed. Latifa, I owe you an apology. I realize now that my past action may have contributed to an environment that was not always conducive to gender equality. I apologize for any hurt or discomfort I may have caused you through my words or actions.
Gracias, Val. Thank you for your apology. As we move forward, let us embrace a culture of understanding and respect. Let us together to create an environment where everyone feels valued and empowered to contribute their best. Together, we can build a future where diversity is not just accepted but celebrated, and where every individual has his opportunity to succeed. Gracias, Val.
During the party, the former marketing department head approaches Latifa.
Excuse me, girls. Can I have
Latifa, as you step into your new role as the head of our marketing department, I wanted to offer you some advice from my own experiences. First, trust your team. Surround yourself in a talented individual who shares your visions and empower them to contribute their unique perspective and ideas. Second, communicate is the key. Keep the lines of communications open with your team members, promoting a culture of transparency and collaborations. And also remember to stay adaptability and flexible in the light of challenges. The marketing landscape is constantly evolving, and being able to adapt to change will be crucial for success. And finally, don't forget to take care of yourself. Leading a department can be demanding, so make sure to prioritize your own well-being and seek support when you're needed.
Thank you so much, Ms. Gonzalez. Your advice is extremely helpful, and I will do my best to support the legacy of excellence you have established in the marketing department.
I have no doubt that you will do the great things that you can. Congratulations once again, and remember that I am always here if you need further guidance or support.
Thank you. Hey guys, thank you all for being here.
Latifa, we're so proud of you. Congratulations on becoming the new head of marketing. Yes, we totally deserve that. We know you're going to do everything for this community.
Absolutely. I've seen how proud you are and how passionate you are about marketing. This is such a well-deserved accomplishment.
You're going to be an awesome leader, Latifa. We're lucky to have you on the department.
Thank you all so much for your kind words and support. I couldn't have gotten here without each and every one of you. Let's continue to work together and make great things happen in the marketing department.
It's beautiful life. 난 너의 곁에 있을게. It's beautiful life. 너의 뒤에 곁에 서 있을게. Beautiful life.